There are geese. Some geese right there, Micah. It's Bubba. Recording a little video for you. Show you all the Canadian geese that are at this park we're at. Back home. See them all? Look at all those birdies. Those are Canadian geese. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't have zooms. I'm having to get really close to them. I'm having to climb this fence. See? Ugh. I have to walk really slowly. So if you walk too fast, you'll startle them. We're working on going to the river. See, there's the river right there. And the geese are walking to get to the river. Maybe they're going down to the river to pray. That would be cool. Seeing how close I can get to them. Probably hearing Samuel in the background. There's Sam. Right down there. I'm just going to try getting closer to him. As slow as I possibly can. These aren't trained or domesticated or anything. They're just migrating on their way to wherever they're going. There's this volleyball net in the way. It's a very nice park. We'll see you here sometime. Aren't they beautiful? They're letting me get pretty close too. It's pretty impressive. Let's see Sam. Aren't they beautiful, Micah?
Oh, look, these ones are walking down to the water. Let's follow these ones.
Alright. So you're going to follow the ones that are going down to the river.
Yeah,
Hey,
so you
Sam.
can see them swim.
Now slow down. Slow down, everybody.
Slow down so we don't
Slow
scare them,
down.
okay? They're like bikinis.
This lovely
They're
lens
so
flare
beautiful.
going on here.
Oh, they changed their mind about going there. Hold on, they want to stay with their friends.
The friends are right over there. There they are. And there's Sam.
You want to go back and get some rice cakes and see if they want some rice cakes to eat? We don't have bread with us, but...
They're getting nervous. We need to stop.
They get nervous, they come with me. God bless you guys. Believe on the name of the Lord
Lord Jesus Christ, and thou shalt be saved, and thy house.
He is your creator, and he loves you so much. Just trust in him and let him direct your paths.
Amen to that. God told us.
Thank you, Lord, for letting us know to proclaim the gospel to every creature.
You gotta say hi to the camera. You gotta acknowledge, man. Represent. Anyhow. As long as we go slow, they won't get hot or bothered or anything like that. It's a good principle to follow with every animal. I know, camera weaving. I'll try to stabilize this a little here. If it's wobbling, it's only because of my hands. Isn't it awesome? Flock of Canadian geese.